Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here with this week's CVS deals and I have 5 different ways you can do the spend 30 get $10 back in this video. So no matter what coupons you have or CRTs you have, I'm sure you will find one of them very helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and if you have any question, leave it in the comment section and I'll make sure I get to it. And don't forget to check out the description box because I have the Google link to it in case you need to print out the deals I showed in this video. That way it can help you while you shop. The first deal will be a very easy deal. Bayer is on sale for buy one get one half off, and when you buy 2, you get $5 back. Picking up 2 of the ones priced at $3.99, the 36 tablets, 1 will be full price and 1 will be half off. There is no coupon for this or any CRT. These 2 will come up to $5.99. Pay that and get $5 back, making both items 99 cents or 49 cents each. Everyone received a $1 digital coupon today in our app. So if you need one that is 50 counts or higher, because that's the one the coupon will attach to, pick it up and adjust your math. Dove Degree Dry Spray or Deodorant is on sale for buy one get one half off, and when you buy 2, you get $4 back. Picking up 2 of the Dove deodorants priced at $9.79, 1 will be full price and 1 will be half off. Both of them will come up to $14.69. I'll be using 2 of the $2.50 coupon we got in the 6-4 savings set. We also have one in our app in case you don't have 2 of this paper coupon. I received a $3 off deodorant email CRT. With the coupon and the CRT, it will bring it down to $6.69. I will pay that and get $4 back. Check your Ibotta because I have a $2 back on each one of them. It will make them free and a $1.31 money maker. The next deal will be on Iris Spring Bar Soap or Soft Soap Liquid Hand Soap. It's on the deal of buy 3, you get $3 back, limit of 1. Pick up 3 of the Soft Soap Liquid Hand Soap, priced at $3.49 each. 3 of them will come up to $10.47. Check out softsoap.com. There is a 50 cents coupon. Using 3 of those coupons will bring it down to $8.97. You pay that and get $3 back, making all 3 items $5.97 or $1.99 each. The next deal I'll be sharing will be on the spend 20 get $10 back on Nivea hand body lotion or lip care. Picking up 2 of the skin firming hydration lotion priced at $11.99 each. Both of them will come up to $23.98. There is no paper coupon for this. This will be all CRT deal. I received a $2 hand body lotion CRT in my email, and the CRTs we got today, I also received a 3 off 30 hand body lotion CRT that will also apply to this. On Thursday, I received another 3 off 10 hair skincare CRT. When all these 3 CRTs come off, it will bring it down to $15.98. Then I'll get $10 back. Check your Ibotta because it's giving back $2 for each one of them. It will bring it down to $1.98 or 99 cents each after the $4 back from Ibotta. The next deal will be on Johnson's Destin Aveeno Baby or Aveeno Kids. It's on spend 15, get $5 back. Picking up 1 of the Johnson's oil gel priced at $7.99, and also the Johnson's Skin Nourish Moisture Wash priced at $7.99 as well. These 2 items will come up to $15.48, and I'll be using 2 of the $2 coupon we got from 521 savings cert. It expired on the 3rd. If your store still accepts it, you can use it. It will bring it down to $11.48. Then I'll get $5 back, making both items $6.48 or $3.24 each. But I'll be showing you another way to do this deal if you have the 4 off 20 Johnson & Johnson CRT. Pick up 3 of the oil gels priced at $7.49. All 3 items will come up to $22.47. Then use 3 of the $2 coupon from 521 savings cert and also the 4 off 20 Johnson CRT. it will bring it down to $12.47 and get $5 back, making all 3 items $7.47 or $2.49 each. I mentioned in the beginning of this video that I'll be sharing 5 scenarios to show you how to do the spend 30 get $10 back, and the first way to do it will be picking up the Tide liquid on sale for $12.99, and we have a $3 digital coupon that will be attaching to this. Then I'll grab the Downy Unstoppable, also on sale for $12.99, and we have a $2 digital coupon that will attach to this as well. I will also pick up the Dawn Power Wash on sale for $5.99. All 3 items will come up to $31.97, which is way above the $30 that I need to spend. The good news with this deal is you don't need any paper coupon for this, but if you want to print out one from P&G website, that's fine. For the Tide liquid, we have a $3 in our app that will attach to it, and for the Downy Unstoppable, we also have a $2 for it. The Dawn Power Wash, we have a $2 as well that will also attach to it. When all these coupons come off, it will bring it down to $24.97. Pay that and get $10 back, making all 3 items $14.97 or $4.99 each. The second way to do this will be picking up 5 of the Dawn Power Wash. All 5 products will come up to $29.95, which is within the 98% rule. So make sure your store follows that. That way you can get the $10 back. Using 4 of the $2 coupons, we got from 6 for savings set, and also there is a $2 in our app that will also apply to this. It will bring it down to $19.95, and I will get $10 back, making all 5 items $9.95 or $1.99 each. Another way to do the spend 30 get $10 back will be picking up 2 Chic Men disposable razor priced at $9.99, and also pick up 2 Dawn Power Wash on sale for $5.99. All 4 items will come up to $31.96, and I will use one of the $2 coupon we got from the 6 for savings set. And for the second Dawn Power Wash, there is a $2 in our app that will also attach to it. For the Chic disposable razor, we have a $4 in our app that will be attaching to it. And today we received another $3, but if you don't want to use that, you can submit your receipt to coupons.com app and receive another $4 for the second Chic disposable. If you're doing the coupons.com app, you have to pay $23.96 and get $10 back. When you submit your receipt and receive the $4 back, it will make all 4 items $9.96 or $2.49 each. Another way to do this spend 30 get $10 back will be on vitamins. The Nature Bounty is on sale for buy one get one free, and I'll be picking up 4 of the hair, skin and nail gummies priced at $11.29. I'll pick up 4, 2 will be full price and 2 will be free. I'm trying to pair each one up. Then I'll pick up the women's multivitamin priced at $12.99. I'll be picking up 2. That way 1 will be full price and 1 will be free. All 6 items will come up to $35.57. And I have some digital coupon. I don't have any paper coupon for this deal. I have a $3 off Nature Bounty vitamin digital coupon, a $2 off, and another $2 off. Since I'm paying for 3, that way I can use these 3 digital coupons. It will bring it down to $28.57, and I'll get $10 back, making all 6 items $18.57 or $3.10 each. And I believe this is a good deal if you need vitamins. Still using the Nature Bounty vitamins to show a way to do the spend 30 get $10 back, I'll be showing you 2 ways to use the Nature Bounty hair, skin and nail jelly bean if your store have more than 1. My store only have 1. The first way to do it if your store only have 1 is pick up 1 of them priced at $19.49. Then pick up 3 of the Nature Bounty hair, skin and nail gummies priced at $11.29 each. Them will come up to $30.78 because it's still buy one get one free. Then using the $3 digital coupon and also the $2 digital coupon, it will bring it down to $25.78 and get $10 back, making all 4 items $15.78 or $3.95 each. If your store have more than one of the Nature Bounty hair, skin and nail jelly beans, pick up 2 and also pick up 2 of the Dawn Power Wash at $5.99. All 4 items will come up to $31.47. Use the $3 Nature Bounty Vitamin Digital coupon and also use 2 of the $2 Dawn Power Wash coupon. You can use 1 paper from 6-4 saving set and 1 of the digital. It will bring it down to $24.47 and you get $10 back. Submit your receipt to Ibotta for $5 back when you buy 2 of the Nature Bounty Vitamin, the jelly bean kind. And after the rebate, it will make all 4 items $9.47 or $3.37 each. And this concludes my deal video. Thank you all for watching and thank you all for your support. And I'll talk to you all later. Bye-bye.